Alrighty, so I just made it home after today, and I'm just gonna get something to eat, take a nap, and then probably start working on the charms, the supplies that I bought. What I'm planning on doing with the resin and stuff that I bought, I intend on making a cherry blossom bag charm, because in Sylphie's vlog, I'll link it probably somewhere down below or put it up in one of the cards or something. But we were talking about, well, Syl in specific wanted a cherry blossom bag charm as our best friends type of thing, so I'm probably going to do that later on tonight as I'm watching Jessie's stream. So I'll catch you guys in a bit, and I'll also show you what I got in a bit, at least from the supermarket and from the Japanese dollar store. So see you guys in a bit. Alright, hey guys, I'm back after my nap. I just woke up. Currently gonna eat dinner, and then after I do that, I'm going to be watching Jess's stream, which I will also put the link under wherever, along with Syl's channel. Like before, I will be working on some bag charms after I eat, and then while I'm modding Jess's live stream. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll check back with you once I'm done eating dinner, and we'll get to work on those charms. Alright, so I just finished dinner, and now I'm gonna just start on working on a bag charm. And yeah, from here on out it's probably going to be a time lapse. So let's get to it. Currently modding Jess's stream, Final Fantasy X Remake. And yeah, I'm going to do this and I'll check back with you. So this is my UV lamp. It's just one of those easy foldable ones. My colored resins, some scrap pieces, and the gloss finish. And I have some ribbon. I wanted black, but I couldn't find any black, so navy it is. And then some lobster clasp and some D-rings. And here's the Sakura mold. So yeah. So this one was the original one I made. And then obviously you can see the head pin, but that was only because I didn't have enough resin, so excuse my shaky hands. Syl wants like a pastel purple type one, and then Marquita wanted pink gray. She didn't really have a favorite color, so thanks Marquita. But just gonna get to work on that while watching Jess's stream, which is still going on right now, so. And the final product. I decided to add a little strap just for a bit more uniqueness. It is cute on its own, but just wanted it to be a little more unique. This one is Sylphie's. She wanted a pastel purple type of lavender-ish color, and then like I said, Marquita didn't really give me much to work with, so I ended up doing a translucent one. And then have these swivel type lobster clasps so that it wouldn't just stay in one place. You can easily swivel it. So this is the end result of that. So hopefully they'll like it. I sent them a picture a video on our group chat of me making them, so I'm about to send them a picture or in-depth photos or video to the group chat. Alright, so the 2-bag charms are ready to go. All that's left is to pack them up, and the next time I meet them, give it to them, because I made these instead of getting the best friend bracelet and ring thing, because when we went to go see Black Widow not too long ago, Marquita was looking at some of the rings because she was interested in looking at some rings, and we were talking about we were looking at, sorry, I'm tripping over my words, it's late. We were talking about the best friends bracelets and rings, and I told them that I could probably make something that's even less money, so I decided to do these. So I sent them the pictures and they really like it, which is good because I thought I would mess up. So alright, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I know it's been a while since I uploaded anything, but hopefully I can start uploading soon, because in about a month or so I should be starting school, and I won't be working as much to focus on studies, so I hope that you guys still enjoyed it nonetheless, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.